When it comes to protecting your home, one of the most important aspects to consider is the roof. Your roof shields your home from the elements, keeps your family safe, and contributes significantly to your home's overall energy efficiency and curb appeal. Whether you're building a new home, replacing an old roof, or undergoing a renovation, quality roof installation is essential. That's where Macomb Roofing Experts come in. With their knowledge, skills, and experience, they ensure that your roof is installed correctly and will provide lasting protection for your home. Here's why working with Macomb Roofing Experts guarantees a superior roof installation for your home. Expertise in local weather conditions. In Macomb, where weather can vary from heavy rainstorms in the spring to snow and ice in the winter, it's essential that your roof is built to handle the specific challenges of the region. Macomb Roofing Experts understand the local climate and know which materials will work best for your home. They are well versed in the importance of proper insulation, ventilation, and moisture management, all of which play a role in the longevity and performance of your roof. For example, the roofing experts in Macomb will recommend materials like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or roofing systems designed for cold climates that will stand up to heavy snow, ice dams, and freezing temperatures. They also ensure that your roof has the proper ventilation and drainage systems to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to mold, mildew, and rot over time. By understanding the specific challenges your roof will face, Macomb Roofing Experts ensure a long-lasting, weather-resistant installation. Use of high-quality materials. One of the main factors in ensuring a durable and effective roof installation is using high-quality materials. Macomb Roofing Experts work with trusted suppliers to source the best roofing materials for your home. Whether you're opting for asphalt shingles, metal roofing, tile, or slate, they ensure that the materials chosen are appropriate for your budget, home style, and weather conditions. High-quality materials are designed to withstand the elements and provide maximum protection. For instance, impact-resistant shingles can help protect your home from hailstorms, while energy-efficient materials can reduce heat absorption in the summer and keep your home more comfortable. Roofing experts can guide you in selecting the best materials for your specific needs, ensuring your investment will pay off in the long run. Professional installation and attention to detail. Roof installation is a complex and intricate process that requires professional knowledge and experience. When you hire Macomb Roofing Experts, you're ensuring that your roof is installed with precision and attention to detail. From proper alignment of shingles to correct flashing installation around chimneys and vents, every step of the process is critical to the roof's functionality and longevity. Roofing experts also ensure that your roof is installed in compliance with local building codes and manufacturer specifications. Improper installation can lead to serious issues such as leaks, poor insulation, and premature wear. With professional roofers handling the installation, you can rest assured that your roof will be built to last, providing reliable protection for your home and family. Enhanced energy efficiency. A properly installed roof can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. In Macomb, Where summers can be hot and humid, and winters can be cold and snowy, a well-insulated roof helps regulate the indoor temperature and reduces the workload of your HVAC system. This can lead to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Macomb Roofing Experts are skilled at installing roofs with proper insulation and ventilation, which help maintain a consistent temperature inside your home. By using energy-efficient materials, such as reflective shingles or insulated roofing systems, they ensure your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, saving you money on heating and cooling costs. Long-term durability and warranty. When you invest in roof installation, you're making a long-term investment in your home's protection. Macomb Roofing Experts ensure that your roof is installed to the highest standards, which increases its durability and longevity. Proper installation reduces the risk of damage and costly repairs down the road, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Many professional roofers offer warranties on both materials and installation, giving you added protection and assurance. If issues arise after installation, you can rely on their expertise to address any concerns quickly and effectively. With a professionally installed roof, you can rest easy knowing that your home is protected for many years to come. Improved home value. A new, well-installed roof can also increase your home's value. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, a quality roof installation adds curb appeal and makes your home more attractive to potential buyers. In fact, studies show that homes with newer, high-quality roofs sell faster and for a higher price. Macomb Roofing Experts can help you choose roofing materials and styles that complement the architectural design of your home, creating a beautiful and cohesive look. A new roof can boost the overall aesthetic of your property and provide a modern, fresh appearance that will make a lasting impression. Peace of mind and safety. Finally, having your roof professionally installed by experts gives you peace of mind knowing that it was done safely and correctly. Roof installation can be a hazardous job, requiring proper safety measures and equipment. Macomb roofing professionals have the experience and tools to ensure the installation is done efficiently and without accidents. This not only protects your home but also ensures that you and your family are safe during the process. Final thoughts. When it comes to installing or replacing a roof on your home, trust the Macomb Roofing Experts to provide top-notch service and high-quality materials. With their knowledge of local weather conditions, use of durable materials, and professional installation techniques, they ensure your roof will protect your home for years to come. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's curb appeal, or safeguard it from the elements, roofing experts in Macomb can help you achieve a durable, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing roof that stands the test of time.